Dear friends, welcome back. Although I've already made a video with this machine on the Vulnhub H.A.S.T.E. In this video, I'd like to showcase another way to get initial foothold on the target. So without further ado, let's just get started. We can switch into the Kali Linux VM. I will not repeat other processes, just go to the right part here. And in the earlier video, I've already shown you how to run the reverse shell command to get initial foothold on the target. Now I'd like to demonstrate how to upload the PHP reverse shell file. Okay, so now we can go back to the terminal. Maybe I can zoom in the terminal so you can see what's going on exactly. The first, we need to prepare this file, or PHP reverse shell file, which you can get it from the Pentesting Monkey website. As you can see over here, after you download this file from the Pentesting Monkey website, you need to change the IP address. And also, if you want, you can modify the port number to whatever port number you are comfortable with. So for now, we got everything ready. Next, we need to set up the web server locally on the Kali Linux. This would be very easy. We just utilize the Python 3 http.server module. As you can see, the server has started, and the port number is default one, 8000. Now we can go back to the browser, and the target field we can put anything. So for now, we can go to the server site, includes injection, and we need to get the help from somewhere. As you can see, we can run the command, right? I've already, we need to modify to the capital. Submit. As you can see, the command has been executed, no problem, without a problem. Now we go back. So how to do? We just replace this ls command by the upload command, wget, and we need to specify the IP address of the Kali Linux, and the port number, and the file name, shell.php. It's there, and now we can submit, without error. And now we can, we need to set up the we need to set up the listener by netcat. The listener has started. Now we can access this PHP reverse shell file. And followed by the shell name or file name. Press enter. As you can see, it's working. And we have already got the reverse shell. And we can spawn the batch session by importing pty module spawn bash. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.